There's an Igbo adage that says, "A giraffe fanyisi," meaning that suffering should not be giving you bragging rights. That's why whenever I go on a date, I ask, what are you looking for in a woman? And once you say, I'm looking for a strong woman, I'll be like, oh, sorry, I'm not the one. Because as you see me like this, I'm a weakling. Because once you tell them I'm a strong woman, they will put you through unimaginable hell. And one of those women you meet after you finish suffering someone else's daughter, you come and meet me for enjoyment. Because that's the role God assigned me on this. When he was molding me, he was like, oh, this is my daughter. What I want you to do when you go on earth is to enjoy. So I'm obeying his rules and his commandments.
I know come this life to suffer. If I follow politician, you go hear I'm for paper, and they go call I'm prostitution. But who don't like enjoyment?